In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Website Builder. To begin, open your Wix editor so you can start working on your site layout and content. This is the main workspace where you build and customize your website. Once you are inside the editor, take a moment to look over the screen. Most of the tools you need are easy to access, and the layout is designed to help you make changes visually without needing to write code. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This is where you can bring new content onto your page. You can drag and drop items like text, images, buttons, and full sections directly into your design. This makes it easy to build your page one piece at a time. As you add elements, try to keep your layout clean and organized, so visitors can move through the page comfortably. If something does not look right at first, you can always reposition it and adjust it later. When you want to change something that is already on the page, click the existing element. A floating menu will appear with options to edit the content, layout, or overall design. This is where you can update text, swap images, change spacing, or adjust styling so everything matches the look you want. Take your time here because even small edits can make your website feel much more polished and professional. Next, use the Pages and Menu icon to manage the structure of your website. From there, you can add new pages, rename existing ones, reorder them, or delete pages you no longer need. This is an important area because it controls how visitors navigate your site. Make sure your page names are clear and your order makes sense, especially if you want the menu to be simple and easy to follow. Once you have made your edits, click Preview in the top right corner. This lets you test the user experience before your site goes live. Previewing helps you catch issues with layout, spacing, or navigation, so you can fix them before anyone else sees the site. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make your website live. This is the final step that pushes your changes online so visitors can access your site. That covers everything you need to know.